Welcome back. In this video we will learn about operators. So open the text editor, create another file with the name of operators.js, save it and write the code here. Let's say I have a variable with the name of number 1, and let's say I have 60, and I have another variable with the name of number 2 and it's 50, and why I want to add it. So let's take another variable with the name of result, and simply I will use num1 plus num2 and it with semicolon, and simply I will use console.log, and here I will simply success result. Let's save it and simply run node. Then we have file name operators.js and hit enter, and you can see this is one done. Now you can do this addition directly in console.log. Let's copy it and paste it here and simply comment it. Let's save it, and if I run the file again, you can see it's one time. Now you can even do multiplication, save it, rerun, and you can see it's 3000. You can even use minus operator and you can see it. Deepen operator, and that's it. You can see it. Now it's a very basic example of operators. So let's create a marks percentage calculator. So select it and simply I will use, and I will comment it. So we need obtain marks. So let's take a variable with the name of obtain marks, and let's say it's 496. And let's take another variable with the name of total marks, and let's say it's 800. Now we need to calculate the obtained mark percentage. We have a formula. So we have a formula: obtained marks divided by total marks and then multiply by 100. This is the formula, and simply save the result in marks percentage. Let's take a variable. So obtain marks divided by total marks and multiply by 100. Now simply use console.log, and here I will use marks percentage and with semicolon, save it and simply rerun the code, and you have this 62%. You can use plus sign here and then use double quotes or single quotes and use percentage sign. Hit the enter and you can see 62%. Now let's say I have 490. Let's save it and simply refresh it, and now we have this 61.25%. Now I want to round it. So let's take another variable with the name of a round percentage, and we have a function in math library math.round, and in the parameters simply use marks percentage and end it with semicolon and use a round percentage here. Let's save it, and if I refresh the code, you can see is 61%. You can give space here and rerun the code, and you can see it's 61%. You can use double quotes here at plus sign. It is plus sign is used to concatenate here, and here your marks percentages. Save it, and if I rerun the code, you can see your marks percentage is 61%. So I hope you like this video. So keep learning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next video. Hello and welcome back. In this video we will learn about type and operator precedence. So open the text editor, and let's say we have this obtain marks, and simply I want to use console.log, and I want to use this obtain marks, or I want to get the value of this obtain marks. So rerun the code, and here we have this 490. Now I want to check the type of this variable. So we have this keyword type of, simply use space and then give that variable, save it, and simply rerun the code, and it will showing us number. It not showing us the value of the variable, and it's showing us the type of the variable. So in this way you can use type of to check the data type of a variable. Now consider another example. Let's create another file with the name of operator precedence.js, and here we have, let's say, let's use console.log, and here I have, let's say, 3 plus 4 plus 5 multiply by 5. So what will the expected result of this? Let's use it. Let's run this file, operators precedence.js, and we have error. Let's save it and change it to 5, and here we have, let's save it and let's use its operator, and here we have this 23. But if I use bracket here and then save it and rerun it, the answer is 35. So what will be the precedence of? Definitely, as you know, according to the rule, multiplication has high priority and addition has lower priority. But when, let's say, we have this console.log and we have a lot of, let's say, then how you can identify it? So the solution is that you need to use round brackets to higher priority. Let's say you want to this addition first, so you need to wrap it using round brackets. So you can know all about operator precedence. Simply open the text editor, open the browser, and type JavaScript operator precedence, and here you can see JavaScript operator precedence. You can check this as well as this. Let's open it, and here you can read the whole documentation of operator precedence. You can check, read. This is not there is no need to remember this, but at least but it's better to know about operator precedence. So keep learning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next video.